So I hope everyone is doing well, everyone is staying safe, stay at home. So on my previous video I bought a tutorial, right? But on today's video I'm gonna do the unboxing video. Okay, lupa satu ayat. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so all of this I bought this at Shopee. When I say I bought, my dad pays for this. Oh my god, cannot wait. Okay, so I have three here. I have three palettes, and then I believe this brush is set. Sorry, I do not have a table here. Just gonna do like this. Okay, the first palette, brand IMagic. So this is the cover, the texture, and then, oh my god, 16 color eyeshadow palette. Okay, we have 16 colors. Okay. So untuk cover yang pink, these are the colors. So for the blue palette, I can't wait to swatch them. Oh my god, look at it. So pretty. Okay, yang paling I excited is for this palette. Ya Allah, korang tengok ni, the glitters are amazing. Now it's time to try the brushes. So as you can see, brush gel is very soft. But I rasa kena basuh dulu baru boleh pakai, guys. So nanti I basuh and I will try to pick up the product. Because it's very soft. So basically texture dia macam glitter yang you tabu-tabu tu, but then dia jadikan macam ni. So I think when you want to work with this, kena hati-hati lah, because or else the glitter will be all over your face. So for glitter palette ni, I tak tahu nak bagi review macam mana sebab I tak pernah pakai glitter palette yang lain. This is my first ever purchase for glitter palette. Selalu I akan pakai Stila je. Moving on to the next palette, kita ada palette yang colour biru ni. Okay, dalam dia colour. Okay, so cantik. I'm gonna swatch. I'm so clumsy. Belum apa-apa I dah messed up this one. So ini for the glitter. Wow, oh my god. Oh my god, serius cantik, serius cantik. Oh my god, serius lawa weh. Cantik. Then I'll try this palette. Well, okay lah. Yang mana ada shimmer ni, this metallic colour, dia punya pigmentation is good. Dia pick up product good. You can pick up this product very good. Tapi untuk colour macam this matte colour, dia pigmented but it's a little bit powdery. Okay. Tengok kalau colour shimmer dia very pigmented. Okay, you guys. Tu kan, lawa gila. Overall, I sangat berpuas hati lah dengan this purchase. Instead of satu palette for 50 something ringgit, this one is 16 and 20 kalau tak silap I. So conclusion dia, for the beginners and yang tengah rajin-rajin practice makeup, yang suka experiment new color, invest in good brushes. Tapi untuk palette, beli palette dekat drugstore or something like that, because brushes you can wear them for a long period of time. But for palette, you ada expiry date, and then also kalau you beli yang, let's be honest, one palette is for 300 ringgit. It's not worth it for you to just buy untuk beli pakai colour earth tone, and then you tak pakai and tak practice anymore. So buy this kind of palette because it's quality dia bagus, ataupun dekat drugstore quality dia orang bagus, and you boleh pakai and you boleh practice selalu tanpa, without feeling like membazir kan. So try it, you might like it. So on the next video I akan guna this palette yang I beli, so kita boleh tengok. Sebab bila kita swatch tadi, quality dia is good, tapi bila kita pakai dekat mata, tu yang kita nak tahu. So that's it for today's video. Done unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video.